As a data journalist, a lot of the data you'll want to work with is stored in PDFs. PDFs often make it hard to extract the data in a usable format. Take for example this PDF file. It has lots of important information shared in tables. The problem is it's difficult to copy this information out of the PDF onto Excel. Being a data journalist, working with PDFs is one of the things you likely have to deal with. Therefore, finding a reliable way of extracting this data is a great skill. Therefore, we introduce Tabula. Tabula is an open source application that runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Download a copy from tabula.technology site. When you first run Tabula, you'll notice it runs inside a browser with a local address on port 8080. Click Browse to access the PDF, select the file and click Open. Click Import to load the file into Tabula. This can take a second or longer depending on the size of the document. Once the PDF is loaded, you'll notice on the left side there are thumbnails for each of the page, while on the main screen we have the actual document. Tabula has the option of auto-detecting all tables. Click on auto-detect and respective tables will be selected. I prefer to manually select to avoid getting data that I don't want. Remove this by clicking Clear All Selections. Click and drag to manually select a table of interest. Click on Preview to see if the data was correctly captured. As you can see, this is not what our table looked like. Tabula can either detect tables by looking for white space or boundary lines, and this option can be checked by clicking either lattice or stream. When we change, we see that the selection we have matches the table that we want. Once happy with the preview, we can export the data onto a file. There are a number of ways that you can export it, the most common one being CSV. Select and click Export to download it. You can open the file in Excel, text editor, or a Google spreadsheet. We will demonstrate this by using a Google Sheet. To load onto a spreadsheet, click File, Import, Upload, select the file, and open. Select an option and import data. And there you have the data in a sheet. You can explore a simple analysis on this data by, for example, showing it as a chart. So we'll select column chart, edit the chart, change the chart type to something, the column that we prefer. Customize the chart by renaming the title. We can resize the chart size. by clicking and dragging, and there we have our data in a simple summary. Thank you.